bacon patties. We ground up some meaty, smoky bacon and mixed it into nice, lean, meaty ground sirloin. We added lots of black pepper, a little bit of kosher salt, flipped the patties, and now we're gonna make the special sauce. This beautiful hunk of cheese is smoked blue cheese. I know. My friends up at Oscar's Smokehouse make this in Warrensburg, New York. They ship everywhere. But any great blue cheese that you love, bring it home. And you're gonna need for every 4 patties about a half cup of blue cheese crumbles for your sauce. We're gonna make a blue cheese horseradish sauce. Now you can grate in fresh horseradish root. If your grocery store doesn't have horseradish in the produce department, you can use some bottled prepared horseradish, which is just grated horseradish with a little bit of vinegar. I like Gold's brand for that. A nice big, I'd say about 2 tablespoons, big heaping mound of horseradish. Nice tangy sour cream. Instead of mayo, we're making a really tangy, chunky blue cheese dressing for our burgers. Lots of chives for mild onion flavor. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix this together. It is a great dip just for vegetables if you want to put it out with crudité at your next party, but it is amazing on these bacon and beef burgers. Now for the roll, I like to keep this one really simple. I go with a good old soft potato roll. I love a soft potato roll for this burger. I put thinly sliced dill or bread and butter pickles on the bottom, a little crunch. You know, I love an iceberg wedge salad with blue cheese dressing, so I wanted iceberg lettuce for this burger. So a little bit of crunchy chopped up iceberg lettuce goes down on the bottom as well. A little bit of chopped white onion. Everybody's really bored with the burger so far, but here comes the bacon and the beef. All right. Now we love the burger again. There goes the bacon and the beef right on top of the little crispy lettuce on the bottom. And then the star ingredient, the chunky blue cheese horseradish dressing. I know. Yeah, baby, that's a burger. Yum. Now, as I said, any of the leftover dressing is delicious with veg as well. You can just serve it right alongside with carrot or celery sticks. Boom, you don't have to make a salad. That's lovely. And I like, who doesn't like a chip and dip? You could even dip a couple of Ripple chips in it.